Hi, I'm Lori with Team Gabriel Coldwell Banker. And today I'm standing in our newest listing at 28 Eileen. And we are in Buckhorn Estates in Enfield, Connecticut, where everybody wants to live. This is a fabulous 1,329 square foot cape. And it offers 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, and it has a lot to offer. I'm standing in the living room and notice that it's very spacious and nice and bright, and there's a wonderful fireplace to cozy up on these cold winter nights. We also have a first floor bedroom, and it has double closets, and it could be used as a playroom or an office or a first floor bedroom. Plus there's a full bathroom down here. The kitchen is very bright and spacious. It has nice, plentiful cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and those are newer and great condition. Upstairs, you have your own private suite, and it's so spacious. It has a walk-in closet, a big half bathroom, and there's even potential for a 3rd bedroom. It's a nice open space, ready to be finished. They brought heat and electric up to it. It just needs to be sheetrocked and completed. So if you wanted a 3rd bedroom, you could do that as well. We have a nice formal dining room, and the formal dining room is very bright. It has 3 windows in there. It is great for having your family gatherings and company over, or those Friday night game nights. Throughout the home, you're going to notice that there's new flooring, and it's really nice and stylish. This home offers full basement that's very nice and dry. There's a lot of grading that this owner did around this home. Outside, you have beautiful green grass. You have sprinkler systems. This has vinyl siding, architectural roof on the back part of the roof, a nice shed for extra storage, bright green grass, no trees, so you don't have a lot of leaves to worry about. This is a corner lot, so it's a very nice location in the back of this development, which is very, very desirable. You're at Buckhorn Estates. You have updated 100-amp electrical. You have gas heat that everybody's looking for, and you have a nice furnace that's in great condition with a hot water heater that's gas as well. There's vinyl siding. This home also has security system. You don't have to do anything to move into this home. It's in move-in ready condition. So if you'd like more information about this beautiful home, then give me a call at 860-926-5101 or check us out on our website at teamgabriel.net. We look forward to hearing from you.